In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your live location on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to open up Messenger app. After that, enter a conversation. Then tap right here at this plus button and select Location tab. Now guys, basically in order to start sharing our location, we just need to tap right here at this button and it will immediately start sharing your current location with the selected user for an hour. So here it says that 59 minutes remaining, so it will automatically stop sharing your location after that time has passed. And also you can manually stop sharing your location by tapping at this button. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.